So today we're going to make something that requires a glove or gloves. You can wear both.
We're gonna make a batik jumputan.
Or as we know it as
Tie-dye.
So first of all, we're going to introduce
The equipment.
for making batik jumputan.
First of all, you need to have this color powder. First one.
And then you have to mix it with water, so it can look like this.
The warm water.
Yeah, warm water. But before that, you have to poke a hole on the top of the lid, so like you can just put the paint over the top. Easy.
And the third one that you need is the rubber bands.
Rubber
bands. And for one, the scissor. And
And
of course, the main
the glove.
gloves.
Okay.
And don't forget, you have to a bowl.
You have to fill a bowl with warm
Warm
water. Okay, so
Let's make it.
let's make it. First of all, what should we do?
Put the food into the bowl.
Okay, you first. I want to see. And squeeze it to remove the excess water. It's my turn now. Make sure the water is warm.
Maybe you can put it.
Yeah, on the side. And then you open this cloth,
Put it down.
put it down. Okay. So
So the next step
is to
is roll this
Mhm.
from the bottom.
can
to
I
the up.
do it freestyle? Whatever I want.
Okay. But I just want to make like this big scroll.
Oh, you want to make a? I think I'm going to make a little swirl like this.
Yeah.
Try with the rubber band. You can totally do that. You can do whatever you want with your cloth. I mean, it will come out as a great pattern anyway.
Yeah. What color do you want to use?
I think I'm going to go with either green or blue. I think that's purple. Maybe purple will do.
I choose the green one.
Oh,
Or the yellow.
yellow will do. Maybe you can make I don't know, sunset on the sky.
Ah,
There.
yeah.
You see that? Oh, you can mix it with red. Can you mix the color?
Yeah. This, guys.
This is mine, and that is hers. So,
Try
next
this.
step- the next step is to
Put color.
color
into the food. Okay, I'm choosing
green.
yellow.
But before you put the color mixture to the cloth, make sure you shake it well, or it will not come out as straight or as vibrant as it should be.
Okay.
I want to see you first.
Put it down.
Just like that.
Yes.
Like, do you need to flip it or you just
Yes, of course, of course. Make sure the every side
It's covered.
is covered color.
I think I want to mix it.
Yeah, that's right.
I want to do this. Like that.
This one should be into the yellow.
That. You're done? Wait. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm done. Okay. Three more.
Okay,
So,
you have to have another bowl,
empty bowl.
empty bowl, and put it down. Put it down into the bowl. Just put it. Okay. And you have to wait 30 until 1 hour.
30 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay, we'll do that.
Okay,
Bye.
bye. But I think we need to wash our hands.
Okay,
Let's go.
let's go.
I cannot wait to see the result.
Finally, it's already 1 hour.
Yes.
But while we're waiting,
We made another one, like
another
together.
video.
It's like our masterpiece. So we're going to open ours first, like individually made, and then we're going to open this later as a surprise.
Okay, me first.
Yours first. I cannot wait actually. Anyway, yeah.
Ginger.
Oh.
The classic one. Because
Like a
I'm,
sun.
because I'm just using the one color. One color.
It's so pretty.
Let's
We
put
should
it
put
first.
it aside. You?
Okay.
Yours? We do mine. Maybe I don't know what it's going to look like. Can you help me?
Oh, cute.
More like abstract.
Mhm.
Okay. That's
You're
pretty.
using 2 colors.
Yes. I'm using 2 or 3. This was the last one.
Now the last one.
Not because it has a lot of
Colors. Okay.
Wait.
It's a bit difficult.
Oh. Here. Here.
And okay. Okay.
Split.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow.
So we're using so many colors, right? Like
Yes,
blue,
we're using
pink,
We're
green.
using all of the colors.
Yeah.
Yay!
We
Proud.
did it.
And now we're going to let it dry.
Okay.
Wait, let's try it again.